Hey guys, if you have not realized today top news is there's a Nvidia sell-off that's happening, right? There are some antitrust issue, DOJ actually subpoena them and stuff like that. So there is a major drop on Nvidia stocks, okay? And I know some of you out there, you are very, very bullish on Nvidia. You are looking for buying opportunity, and this might be it. Also, do note that this is not the furthest retracement that we are expecting as well, right? So I'll be posting this news in our community. So what happened over here is that you can see that on the weekly chart, the market is on a strong bearish movement, right? So what we can see is that it seems like the bearish movement have not yet ended yet, at least not today. So if you are bullish and you always wanted to buy Nvidia at a discount, some of the consideration you might have when the market was at 130, 140 range, a 10 to 20% discount would be great, right? So if we are looking at 20% discount just based on the furthest end in terms of the candlesticks body on the weekly chart, 130.61, 20% discount will give you 104 range, which is pretty much the range I'm looking at, right? So based off the weekly chart, of course, the support can be seen at $94.10, right? This is something that you have to really look very, very closely on the development of the news following through the DOJ, the court information and stuff like that, the charges and stuff like that, right? So these are things that you have to look into, right? And of course, the other consideration is you might want to look at competitor stocks related like Intel, AMD, and stuff like that to see if there's any buying opportunity from there, right? And however, if your focus is to own a Nvidia stocks at a discount, then you should be looking at Nvidia and just focusing on this, right? So what I'm looking at first up, the support, as I've said, mentioned, one of the major support level is at $94.10, 60 cents thereabout, right? On the daily chart, we do have a lower price opportunity, which I have plotted on the 4-hour chart instead, right? So this is a deep godly pattern setup that is looking to form at $83.11, right? So even deeper than $94, definitely $94 is one of the range you can consider to buy at huge discount, because if you are looking at earlier, the price that we're using 130.61 as the highest, I'm not even using 140 price, right? So using 130.61 as the price, and if we manage to engage and buying at $83.25, right, that is a good $47 saving. 130.61, right? Just to confirm. Right, it's a 36% discount, right? So there are a couple of ways you can look into it. You can look for a trading platform that allows you to just trade it and just earn the difference in terms of movement, or you can just go to some of the brokers, trading houses to actually buy and hold on to the stocks. If you see that Nvidia is the leading chip maker for AI related, right? Of course, you have to able to hold the stocks for an extended time, at least 6 months to a year, right, to see some positive gains, right? And if you want a more immediate approach, then I would say that one of the support level 105.87 will be the level you can look at. Look for something like a double bottom with a RSI divergence that would help, right? But personally, you guys know that stocks is not my main portfolio profile. I do trade this forex more, and having stocks portfolio profile is more of like, let's say, owning it and holding on to it, then of course I want to have a better price entry, right, at 82.25. So this bring me to a point that I like to share with you. Because I start off as a trader, is pretty normal for me to really look at the best of the best price, just aiming for the lowest before even engaging it, right? Because traders' way of looking at things is that I do not want to get short change. Should the market have the potential to go lower, I only want to engage when the price is lower, right? Investor wise, I've mentioned, if you ever thought of owning Nvidia when it was 140, or even you're looking at 136, a 20% discount is good enough for you because you're looking for long term, right? And you do not want to miss the investment, you do not want to miss the opportunity should the market shoot back up. Then you need not wait until 83. You can, in fact, tomorrow can make the decisions whether you're going to buy, right? Why do I say tomorrow? I see that at minimum, if the things doesn't blow out any further, then tomorrow it could just drop a bit more before any potential reversal. That's I'm thinking. Just looking at the candlesticks charts movement and stuff like that. And there is also a discussion on things like, candlesticks chart and stuff like that, how accurate it is. What I want to say is that it is the direct reflection of the market participants' reaction, and they cast their vote by engaging the trade, buy or sell. Okay. Do take note that we are also moving towards the quarter report release, and typically the third quarter is the most volatile period for the stocks market, right, as well as the FX market as well, more for stocks than FX if you are seeing in that way. So something for you to take note as well. So there are a couple of dates you really have to check in before making your own investment, and always remember to do your own analysis, your planning, look at your risk management before any form of investment, right? So that's pretty much my take on this. And last week or the week before, I did share with you that Nvidia is one of the stocks that I'm bullish about. And definitely this is something I'll be looking very, very closely to get involved and hold it for at least the next 3 years, right? That is my plan for Nvidia. So I'm still waiting for my price. And this is definitely one of the golden opportunity I'll be listing over here so that I could have a closer look from day to day. All right. So that's pretty much that. If you love what you're seeing, even you are watching the replay, click the follow, subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so when we go live, you receive those alerts, right? So see you around. Take care. Bye.